Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So another beautiful piece came out of full restoration. This is a 1920s American gas pump, a visible gas pump as you can see here. When we bought the gas pump, it was a great core for restoration. We was able to save its original skins here. So everything is original here. I'll go over what we added to upgrade it. These pumps were metal skins with cast iron base, cast iron here, and cast iron up underneath there. So when we got it, we sent it out for sandblast, had it completely sandblasted, brought it in, we did it in a really nice primer. We have a photograph, we will show you the inside of it so you can see what it looks like. Then we do any Bondo or body work that needs to be done, and then it's done with a really nice primer. Then we go to our base coat, clear coat. After our base coat was on, then we applied our decals. So these are not stickers, these are decals. And then we clear coat over it. Then the whole thing is color sanded and buffed. It's just, I mean, to touch it, it's super, super, super nice. We did a nice brass nozzle here, which has been polished and clear coated so that it will not tarnish. Brand new hose here. We did all of the chrome in triple plate. These rods here are typically in really bad condition, so we brought brand new brass rods and had them triple chrome plated. As well as we never build a visible gas pump without putting a glass globe in it. This one we happened to get a nice original glass globe with a very light blue tint. And when we go up to the top of the pump here, we have a 15-inch globe which has a metal ring. It is not a plastic ring. So it's metal 15-inch with your reverse glass signs in it. As well as we have added the lights. They didn't originally come with these lights. So we plumbed it, plated everything, and put the old school lights in it, which really adds a ton to the top of the pump. It has nice Corbin vintage locks on both the handle, which is back here, which you'll see in the stills, as well as the pump so nobody can grab it or mess with it. Brand new hose. I put every nickel I could find to put in this pump. There was no expense spared. It's just a beautiful pump inside here. Your pipes are all chrome. Everything went out for chrome. Everything got done correctly. This is 10 foot 4 inches tall. So it's a really super tall pump. It makes just a huge statement. It's nice. If you want it, we will send this next door. We will take the top off. From here up comes off, it all gets packed and goes in boxes. From here down will be put in a crate, and this will also go in the crate. So it will come to you unassembled because you do not want to move these assembled. The glass will be packed separately. We'll do a beautiful job. Orange County Crating next door is completely professional. They've done it for us before and do a fantastic job. And then we will shoot you a little video of taking it apart, and then you just reverse putting it back together, and it is really quite easy. Any handyman could do it, especially with our video. So if you're looking for a beautiful 1920s American gas pump in Atlantic Richfield theme, this could be for you, and we'll get it out for you. All you gotta do is buy it. And listen, I want to tell everybody out there, thank you so much for watching our videos. We get great response from this. We appreciate it. We always try to answer everybody's questions and do in a timely manner. Anyway, thanks for watching.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.